Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kanza and welcome back to my channel. Okay, for today's video I'm going to paint this side of wall with this color. This is the 5 liter Nippon Paint Metex CC, the color creations. So this is the Trojan Grey color and I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out with this side of wall, so let's go for it. Okay, so this is how my wall looks like before I paint it. So the original color is white, as you can see here, and this is how my workspace looks like. This is my Leeds Brother guitars. This is my collections. There's my Gundams here, my comic books, and that's my Dragon Balls, my Only Zoid, Batman. This is my sword, my katana. This is the name is Yubashiri. It's from One Piece. This is my lightsaber, the moon lamp. This is my MacBook, the Gundam puzzle that my wife gave it to me as my present. And let's see how it's turned out with the gray, with the dark gray color. Okay, I also noticed there's a chip here from the original paint, so I need to patch it up before I start to paint everything. So this is some of the patches that I need to remove and cover it back. Okay. Okay, there's a few here. We should do it. Okay, so basically I've already done pasting and fill the gap in within this wall. So as you can see here, I already fill everything here before I start to paint the wall. This one is still incomplete, so I need to another layer for it. So all we need to do is wait until all of this dry before we start painting. So this is the color, the Trojan Grey. Okay, as you can see behind me, I'm done with the paint, and this is the Trojan Grey color. So I kind of like it because previously my intent was to paint it in black, and at that time they didn't have the stock for black color, so this is the closest black I got, the Trojan Grey. So but it turned out really nice and I love it. So let's put everything back and let's see how it goes. Okay, here's the after. So I've done paints with the Trojan Grey, so this is how it turns out. Okay, I know it's not that even, so maybe in the future I'm gonna repair it, or maybe not. Okay, so this is how it turns out with the Trojan Grey color and with my simple setup. So as you can see here, I made some mess here with some uneven patch. I'm not sure that I'm gonna fix it or not, so maybe I just let it be like that. Okay, I'm planning to buy a table and a shelf from IKEA, so the color may be white or dark or wood color, so I'm not sure which one is the best. I kind of like both actually, so what you guys think? Should I buy the white color or the wood color? Leave the comment in the comment section below. Okay, that's it for today's video. Okay, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Ciao.